You want to know how to grow on YouTube fast in 2025? Let's cut to the chase. This is the first tip. I'm telling you, cut straight to the chase, just like that. Don't start off with your story really slow. We're cutting right to the chase scene, just like in a movie. I'm starting off with the first tip right now. This is it. Like you already got it. That's it right there. You see what I'm saying? You're cutting to the chase right there. Just like in an action movie, I worked in movies before, and mainly what usually happens, there's a hero's journey, and usually when they start off the movie, they don't start it off slow if it's an action movie. And there's something going on where there's some chase scene and there's a bunch of cars zooming, zoom, zoom, and guns shooting and all that. Yo, this is how you cut to the chase. Start off with your first tip if you are a creator like me, where you are giving YouTube tips or whatever your niche is in. You want to cut straight to the chase or give a teaser and then go back and then slow things down and tell the story and then go to the climax of your movie. Like that's how it is. Then it'll slow down to the end, and then there's the hero at the end, and everybody is happy, living happily ever after. Cut to the chase right off the top, all right? That's the first tip right there. My next tip right here, you want to choose a topic that you enjoy, that you can stay consistent and patient with. Now, whatever topic that is, make sure that it's something that you are able to talk about. If you're going to be a talking head type like I'm doing right now, this is a talking head type of video where you just see a head talking basically, and you got to be able to speak about whatever you're speaking about for as long as you need to. If it's a minute, if it's an hour, if it's days, if it's weeks, like you have to be able to talk about whatever topic this is that you are choosing to be your niche or niche, however you want to say it. You have to be able to say it. You have to be able to talk. Okay? If you don't know, then pick something that you do know. Something that you're excited about, something that you're passionate about. Because if you're not passionate about it, you're not going to stick with it and you'll quit. So we're not quitters here. We keep going. We are winners here, all right? You're a winner. So make sure it's something that you know that you love, you're passionate about, and you can just keep on talking about it no matter how. If somebody called you at 3 o'clock in the morning, you could talk about it. You want it to be like that, all right? Now, what you want to do is be able to commit to doing this for 100 videos. 100 videos. Can you make 100 videos of this topic? If you can do that, then hey, you got it. I mean, this is part of creating a plan and a strategy, because growing on YouTube isn't just throwing up videos all willy-nilly and just talking about whatever. No, have a plan, have a strategy, stick to the plan, and you'll see it work. And you can tweak your strategy as you go along. You can make things better with each video, just 1% better. And as you do that, you'll continue to improve. Your viewers are served more, and you begin to gain more subscribers. Your watch time will grow. This is what it's all about, because you got to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hours in order to get on the YouTube Partner Program, to where you can be monetized and make some money with YouTube videos. All right. Every single YouTube video that you have on here is a digital asset. This is the way you want to think about it. It is something that you have as real estate online. And that real estate, that digital asset, your video, is making money for you while you sleep. Okay. And it's going to be working for you 24/7. So you want to make sure that you have videos with some good topics. You have some videos that are working for you. Okay. All right. So what you want to do is commit to having those 100 videos that you can do throughout the year. And if you can commit to 100 videos, you're gonna make it. But if you're like, oh no, that's too much. Like I can't think of that many things, for this type of content or this, then you got to see what you can do. You got to think outside the box and see what it is that you really, make a list and see what it is that you really love to talk about, that you're passionate about, and make that your topic. Because you got to be able to commit to this and be in it for the long haul. Myron Golden, for example, he said that he's committing to becoming good at creating YouTube videos for 10 years. That's a lot more than 100 videos. And he's posting daily. He's doing something that he would normally do, which he does a Bible study every morning. And he has it recorded. So he has content 5 days a week. Whatever he does on the weekends, he may do some other content, but that's mainly the thing. 5 days a week, putting out that content from that Bible study. And that is something that you could do. If you're not going to do all 7 days of the week, you can do 5 days a week. Have a break. You don't want to burn out. So this right here is going to be very crucial. Now, this is also key. You want to create videos where you just talk to your viewers, just like I'm doing with you right now. Just talk. Like that's exactly like back to Myron Golden again. That's what he's just talking about what he's talking about the Bible, talking about business, talking about being a millionaire, talking about how to make money, and combining those topics together to form his videos. That's all you have to do. Just talk about what you are passionate about talking about. And that way people will build trust with you. Your viewers and your subscribers will come to like you for you. And that is what you want as you build your personal brand. If that's what you're doing on here and not trying to do faceless YouTubes or YouTube automation, things like that, you building your personal brand is golden. It is golden because people are beginning to love you for who you are, and you are essentially getting paid to just be you. And that's it. Talk about what you love to talk about, however you love to talk about it, record it, and you are getting paid with every single digital real estate that you have on here that is called a YouTube video. Isn't that wonderful? It's an amazing time we live in. So this is the next tip right here. You want to create a playlist for all your videos in this topic. And when you create a playlist, this right here is something that all of your new subscribers can binge watch. And this will skyrocket your watch time hours. You'll be able to reach your watch time hours threshold a lot faster than if you just thought of every video as just a one-off, where there was no call to actions, no end screens, things like that. That's something that you want to make sure that you are doing with every single video, adding it to a playlist, and then putting that playlist somewhere in your description, in your comments. Like, make sure that you have links so that people can click that, your viewers can click your playlist, and it will allow them to just watch video after video after video after video after video that is yours if they choose to. And also, when they click on it, instead of a bunch of other YouTube creators and content creators being on the right side, where like if they're looking on a laptop, it'll show all the other creators that are showing up for that content, that topic or keywords in search results. And you don't want that. You want your videos there. And that is what a playlist will do. It'll add all of your videos to the side, where if they are looking for, if your viewers are looking for something else to watch, they're going to see your videos. And then that's going to add more watch time for you. You reach that 4,000 threshold, and You're getting paid. All right. So this is how we get it done fast. And community engagement is another way. When you are engaging in your comments and your viewers and your subscribers are commenting, it's very good to at least like their comment or heart their comment. Just show some love. You know what I'm saying? Now, if you want to respond to them with actual text, then that's cool too. There's even some content creators that are on YouTube that are in a beta program that they are allowed to see where they can give voice responses. So if you have that on your channel, go for it. I mean, connecting with your viewers and your subscribers is always a good thing. Now, what happens with this is that your subscribers may expect this from you all the time. And I say, if you have a video that blows up and you get hundreds of thousands or millions of views and tons of comments, and they're just rolling in like crazy, and you get these notification dings all the time, it can be quite overwhelming trying to respond to every single one of those things. Now, if you got the time of day to do that, go for it. If not, that's fine too. Because what happens is, if you are continuing to comment on all of your comments, your subscribers are going to begin to expect that from you. And they're expecting that response from you, or they're expecting you to say something. Oh, they usually say something. Why aren't they saying something now? If you don't say anything, if you do nothing, and just let them say what they want to say, that's totally fine too. But communicating is, it makes people kind of feel like, oh, it makes them feel seen. So that's something that is really good about doing that. But if you don't want to do that, and you don't want your subscribers and your viewers to expect you to respond to every single thing that they say, then I would suggest just say nothing, or say less, as we say nowadays. So, and this is my final tip for this video. You want to go live. Go live. Now, going live can increase your watch time. And I'm talking about live streams. When you are live streaming, you're able to connect with people more and answer their questions right then and there. Now, say if they were in your comments and you didn't respond to it, this is where you can do that. And you can respond to people right there as you're speaking while you're live. And when people are watching you live, that will count towards your watch time hours, even though it's vertical and it's not horizontal like it is right now. The vertical video is shown on YouTube Shorts, on the YouTube Shorts feed, and it is also shown on the Shorts feed. So you're going to be getting a lot more eyes very quickly on your live stream from the jump, okay? And whenever you do your live streams, try to go for at least an hour. If you can do 2 hours, if you can do 3 hours, I mean, say if you're playing a game, like a lot of gamers, they'll just, be on the game for at least 3 hours. I mean, you could do that. Might as well live stream, right? So the longer you can go, the better. And that will increase that watch time to help you reach your goal faster so that you can begin to get paid. This is how to grow on YouTube fast in 2025. If you have any questions about anything, make sure that you leave it in the comments, and I can maybe answer it for you in my next video, or maybe sometime when I'm live, just like I was saying. And I really appreciate you. And if you are watching for the first time, make sure that you subscribe so that you can get more of these tips, and like this video to tell the algorithm, hey, I like what this guy's saying. He actually has some good content, and it'll show it to more people. So that would definitely help me as well. So I appreciate you again. And if you want to watch what YouTube thinks is the best video for you to watch, click this video right here. And if you want to binge watch all the different tips that I have, watch my playlist. All right? Make life better, make life sweet. I'm Ty Sweet. Peace.